Before we begin, let me introduce the brains behind this innovation. Water pollution is a big concern, especially in poor countries with limited water treatment facilities. Not only it makes it harder to access clean drinking water, but also affects the water needed to grow food. Water is a limited resource. As the world's population grows, the demand for water will increase, making water use in agriculture both an environmental and food security issue. Hence, I have come up with a solution to this problem, introducing my idea and innovation, Chito-AC 2.0. But before that, what is activated carbon? Activated carbon is an absorption medium. Its function is to absorb organic molecules in its micropores. But what is it used for? Activated carbon is a form of carbon commonly used to filter contaminants in water and air, among many other uses. Chito-AC 2.0 was produced in granulated forms to increase surface area to volume ratio to allow it to effectively absorb water contaminants and also to increase its efficiency to retain water and nutrients. And as you can see here, this table shows the initial absorbance and the absorbance after 10 minutes. As we can see, the absorbance dropped to 0.301, or in other words, the concentration of methylene blue after 10 minutes dropped from 10 ppm to 2.39 ppm. Then, to test its potential in agriculture, a glass-sized experiment was conducted. Red spinach plants were grown in soil either with or without Chito-AC 2.0. The growth of the red spinach plants were observed for 30 days after transplant, and it can clearly be seen here that the red spinach plants grown with Chito-AC 2.0 are much bigger than the plants grown without Chito-AC 2.0. So how does my innovation relate to SDGs? My innovation, Chito-AC 2.0, clearly fulfills this initiative as it is produced from waste materials, which is coconut shell waste. Thus, it helps in achieving 3 sustainable development goals. Now we've shown that our product works great, and in terms of its feasibility, let me assure you that to produce Chito-AC is also very cheap and cost effective. Hence, in order to save the environment, let's do our best by firstly minimizing water pollution, and then secondly to treat water using sustainable approaches and incorporate usage of organic amendments and fertilizers in agriculture, such as by using Chito-AC 2.0.